We're working on the 95 F-150 today. We're fixing the rear harness, the tail light, reverse light harness. It's been screwed up a few times. We're fixing it today. something?
I'll never learn that. Nope, what I wanted to speak to you about, and it doesn't have to be right this moment. I would like if you could assist me in getting the miter saw over before we go in for dinner.
Okay.
Mom, she mentioned earlier that she might make breakfast for dinner.
What time is it getting to be?
It is 4:22. So she'll probably want us in promptly at 6. I would like to have enough time to cover the thing up before having to race in for dinner.
Well, let me finish this solder joint here, and
we could either, it's on a piece of plywood that we could use the wheelbarrow and set the piece of plywood on the wheelbarrow and set it on there. One guy could push the wheelbarrow and one guy could steady the saw, or we could each grab a side of the saw and carry it over. Whichever way you prefer. There's no sense one person killing himself trying to carry it when there's 2 people. I may be an invalid, but I'm not dead yet. If you want to keep working on that stuff, that's fine. I got plenty of other stuff to keep me busy.
okay. This is going to take me a little while to completely finish here. I got a couple more wires to fix. I was politely informed recently that I had no rear lights. Which was rather unwelcome.
Policeman.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't write you up, did he?
Hmm?
He didn't write you up, did he?
Nope. He was very polite about it. And I was very thankful that he was very polite about it. But didn't really want to take the chance of getting informed again. Alright, so don't believe I filmed the close for this, but the F-150, I was going through some videos. I did some wiring on the back, and just kind of wanted to put a little finish to it, show you what was done. So there's a license plate light attached right there on the other side. Yeah, I know I didn't trim the zip tie. I was actually going to exchange that for a mount for this Deutsch connector. Got all my wiring tucked back up in. Got everything neatly bundled here. This is auxiliary backup light whenever I get the bumper done. These are my connectors, weather pack connectors for the 7-pin trailer plug, which currently isn't on here. I had to repair it. There was some corrosion in it. But I have the Ranger now wired the same way for the 7-pin plug, so I can actually swap that over if I need to. I'm going to try to make everything as consistent as possible when I'm doing this stuff from here on, because I'm tired of each truck having its own individual little things. Sometimes that can bind you up. So just trying to keep everything neat and consistent. This is for the CB radio. That's what's coiled up here. That actually, I don't have the bumper on here right now to put the CB radio on. That's coming, but it might not happen until I rebuild the truck. So yeah, I just wanted to show that I got it finished and what it kind of looks like, and thanks for watching.